Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on the Oppo A78 5G. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Right here we need to find an app called NotifyBuddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled. Now we can begin using this app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active NO Settings. In User you can select and allow any app for custom LED lamp notifications. In System there's all system-bound apps. In Active you can find all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or color. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.